YouTubers, how's everybody doing today? Wildcat Piper here, out here in the Wildcat Lounge on a very snowy Friday. They pretty much shut down Lexington. They canceled work today. They're expecting 12 plus inches here in the Lexington area. So you know what that means. It is shut down. I'm smoking a Foundry cigar. It's called a Foundry, and I'll tell you what I like about it. It's just got this little brass sprocket that goes on the band. I thought that was kind of a cool little touch. And then here's the wrapper. Called a Foundry. Very good. It is burning great. Look at that white ash. Burning very good. And I'm going to tap the ash off this before it falls on top of me. And you might be wondering, why are you smoking that on Friday? I thought Thursdays was your cigar day. It is. Let me tell you what happened. Yesterday about 4 o'clock I started feeling like pressure in my chest. Went to the hospital. They took me immediately in because of the fact that I deal with blood clots. And that's what I was worried about, was the blood clots. And did the blood work. The blood work come back good. As far as the heart, it's not a heart thing, which is good. That's a blessing. Took my blood pressure. It was elevated for me, but not elevated dangerous. It was like 130 something over 75 or 80, something like that. I don't know. But she was not concerned about that at all. The blood work come back good. So they started focusing in on the blood clots. Went and did a CT scan, and the doctor said there are no blood clots in either lungs. So that's very good news. I've been wanting to find that out, and just to make sure I don't have any more blood clots, and I'm good. So that's great. A little nerve-wracking living with those. Every time you feel a little pressure on your chest or sharp pain or something like that, you worry about what's going on. And and I haven't had a lot of energy, been low on the energy scale. They did find out that I have a low vitamin D deficiency, so they gave me some pills I take once a week. It's got like 40,000 units of vitamin D in it. I mean, it's large amounts, but you just take it once a week. I'm going to start them on Sunday. And so that should help. It's a very good cigar. If you've never tried a Foundry, give it a shot. Called my brother today. I FaceTimed him so that I could show him the snow coming down. It is coming down really hard. Then he proceeded to show me sunny Southern California. Showed me the sun shining out on his. He has a pool in the back, on his back deck and backyard patio. He showed me that, and his wife Lori said she's going to go lay out today, and pissed me off. But while we were talking, we were kind of putting together our list for our tobaccos for our cruise coming up. And so we kind of made a very sketchy list. Not really even a list. We just talked about a couple blends that we might want to try. because we don't want to both bring the same blend. We want to bring different blends. Then the girls said that they would like to do a video with us, because we're going to do a kind of a Bon Voyage video or just a together video. And they wanted to be in that, so that'll be kind of fun. And then we'll get that uploaded before we leave port. We get to embark around noon, 11 o'clock in the morning, and we don't actually leave until 4 o'clock. So that's good. So we're going to do a video and talk about what we're going to be doing, and then we're going to different places we stop. We thought we would do a video of some of those places, talk about that and what we did and all that kind of do a kind of a video log of our vacation. That should be kind of fun. Maybe not for you guys, but for us. So this snow has pretty much immobilized Lexington. I'd be surprised if we go to work tomorrow, or even if we have church on Sunday, because it paralyzes when you have this much snow. Now, some places you guys probably blow it off and then business as usual the next day, or maybe don't even cancel your businesses for the day, but it closes us down. And also with the wind blowing and stuff like that, and the drifting and all that crazy things, and it's crazy. So me and my wife are kind of snugged in the house, and she's taking a shower, and I've got a crock pot full of chili cooking right now, and we will probably watch some movies tonight and just hang out together, and it should be fun. And we've already done a few things there around the house, and so it'll be great. I'll probably do another video here later on this evening with my pipe. And got a question for you before I go. I have some haunted bookshop, and it was a little strong when I did it fresh, and so I've cellared it, and it's been cellared. My brother gave it to me. It was actually his, and he gave it to me. It was too strong for me, so I said, I'm going to just cellar this. It's probably been cellaring since the end of the summer. We're going to try it on the cruise. My question is, will it mellow that much in just 6 or 8 months? Or is this, you still think it'd be pretty strong? That's my question. And then generally, does it take long for strong tobaccos to mellow cellar, or do you have to have it cellared for quite some time in order for it to mellow out? So if you guys can help me with that, that'd be great. If you're on the East Coast, be safe, stay warm, try not to travel. If you're on the West Coast, have fun. Blow some smoke rings in the air, either with a cigar or a pipe. But above all, my friends, be blessed. Talk to you soon.